How to make acrylic keychains using a REDSHIFT laser machine. Import your design into the machine's software. Set the necessary parameters for quality engraving and cutting. Now comes the magic part. The laser machine is precisely engraving your design onto the acrylic sheet. This ensures a unique and stunning look for your keychains. Once the engraving is complete, the same machine can be used to cut out your keychains. It's incredibly precise, giving you perfectly shaped keychains every time. Please note that the blow valve needs to be turned on for laser engraving to ensure optimum engraving clarity, and off for laser cutting. Just look at the finished products. Laser cutting acrylic leaves behind beautifully clean and polished edges. And there you have it. Your very own personalized acrylic keychains. Get creative with different shapes and designs. These make fantastic gifts or even a unique addition to your own accessories.